You're watching TVC News. Governor Ahmadu Fintiri of Adamawa State has forwarded 23 commissioner nominees their names to the State House of Assembly for screening and confirmation. Speaker of the State Assembly, Bathia Wesley, directed nominees to submit necessary documents for screening. Some of the lawmakers commended Governor Fintiri for giving consideration to women and youths in his cabinet.
This is what we are keenly expecting from His Excellency, so that those who suffered before our success will be paid commensurately and appropriately. So the Commissioner's nominees submitted to the House of Assembly is in order, and he has captured women, youth, and techno